businesses should use accounting software to manage invoices, track finances, and prepare for tax season. As a business owner, you'll use accounting software to send invoices to clients, upload receipts for business expenses, and record financial information. Your bookkeeper or accountant will likely be given access to the software and do most of the heavy lifting regarding the reporting, tax forms, and more. Most accounting solutions include features like invoicing, expense tracking, accounting reports, payroll, and accounting or bookkeeping services. Some accounting tools are designed for specific industries, but FreshBooks and Wave can be applied to businesses of all types. Whether you're in e-commerce, retail, or consulting, you can use either of these options. This video will discuss the main differences between FreshBooks and Wave by highlighting differences in features, price, and usability. We'll highlight notable strengths and drawbacks of each tool and make recommendations to help you pick the best software for your business. FreshBooks and Wave are two of the more basic accounting tools on the market. Both tools receive the Software Pundit Analyst rating of 86. FreshBooks received the score of 86 because it's incredibly easy to use and it's easy to get in touch with the customer support team. Wave, on the other hand, is a bit more advanced, but their customer support is not at all accessible. Both are solid starter tools that are ideal for those who want to start using accounting software in just a day. Here's a breakdown of our review criteria and how FreshBooks and Wave performed in each category. FreshBooks is a great entry-level accounting software for freelancers and very small service-based businesses. It doesn't have advanced features, but what it lacks in power, it makes up for in usability and accessible customer support. FreshBooks offers invoicing, expense tracking, time tracking, project management, payments, and accounting reports. FreshBooks pricing starts at $15 per month for basic features and tops out at $50 per month. Conversely, Wave offers invoicing, expense tracking, recurring billing, and automatic payments for free. Many users choose Wave because those essential accounting features are entirely free, and additional features like payroll, payment processing, and bookkeeping services can be purchased. While we found that Wave is also extremely user-friendly, it's much more difficult to get in touch with customer support, which can be frustrating. Here are a few quick points to summarize who we recommend each tool for. You'll prefer FreshBooks if you're a service-based company, you want easy access to the customer support team, and you're searching for the tool that's easiest to use. You'll prefer Wave if you like basic accounting features entirely free of charge, your business sells both products and services, and you want access to bookkeeping and tax services. We recommend FreshBooks to anyone just starting a service-based business, or just starting out with accounting software. It's not as nuanced as top players in the accounting space like QuickBooks Online or Xero, but this tool will benefit freelancers more. We recommend it for service-based businesses only, however, because FreshBooks lacks the inventory management features that are required to keep track of the inventory. When we spoke with FreshBooks customers, they reported that while the tool definitely works for freelancers and small businesses, it's truly best for bookkeeping and keeping things on track for tax time. This solution is a reliable starter option. We recommend Wave for most small businesses given its value and wider range of features. Along with the free accounting features, there's a variety of things you can purchase like services, payroll, and a business bank account with Wave. Mark Hayes, the head of marketing at Kintel, appreciates the professional user interface as well as the billing and invoicing system, which he says improves year after year. Other customers told us that the reporting feature isn't as advanced as some alternatives offer, but it includes the necessary reports to bring to the CPA to prepare documents for yearly taxes. Overall, Wave is one of the easiest tools to use to send invoices to many different individuals. While it can be difficult to get in touch with customer support, you likely won't need to contact them too often. FreshBooks operates on a planned pricing tier, while Wave is priced per feature. FreshBooks pricing starts at $15 per month for the Lite plan and costs up to $50 per month with the Premium plan. Wave's accounting software, invoicing features, and business bank accounts are entirely free of charge. Customers will pay for things like online payments, payroll, and bookkeeping and tax services. Wave offers more features than FreshBooks, and their payroll feature was built in-house, whereas FreshBooks connects with Gusto for payroll services. Some of the features unique to Wave include inventory management, accounting and bookkeeping services, and a business bank account. The top features included with FreshBooks are invoicing, receipt capture, and project tracking. FreshBooks has one of the easiest invoicing features across accounting software tools. The first time you log onto the interface, FreshBooks will walk you through the process of creating and sending your first invoice. You can send one-time invoices or schedule recurring invoices for repeat clients. For recurring invoices, you can set how many need to be sent, the sending schedule, and the issue dates. When you purchase something for a business expense, you'll be able to take a photo of the receipt directly from the FreshBooks application and attach the image to your expense. This is a great feature that will enable you to easily provide proof of purchase. However, the receipt capture is not quite as advanced as some competitors offer. Some competitors' features will pull data directly from the receipt and input it into your reports. Especially for those who have service-based businesses where consultations or other projects will be completed for clients, the project management and time tracking feature with FreshBooks is extremely helpful. You can use a real-time timer to track the time spent on projects, or you can simply mark the hours you worked after the fact. Once a project is done, you can generate an invoice directly from the screen, where all information will be pulled to the invoice and you can send it with just a couple clicks. Wave offers basic accounting features, including invoicing, a dashboard, and expense tracking, as well as a few additional things like payroll and a business bank account. Wave also offers bookkeeping and tax services, which FreshBooks does not. Because Wave offers more than FreshBooks, it may be worth it to start with Wave if you don't already have other systems in place, simply because Wave is more of a one-stop shop software. Wave's dashboard provides a high-level overview of your business transactions from your profit and loss statement to accounts payable. From this dashboard, you can also connect your business bank accounts, track overdue payments, and manage all invoices. Wave Advisors is Wave's bookkeeping and tax service, which is available for an additional monthly fee. Starting at $149 per month, Wave's Advisors will do your books every month after a free consultation. Because FreshBooks doesn't offer this type of service, it's notable that Wave has it. Particularly if you don't have an in-house bookkeeper at your company, this is a great way to make sure everything is on track for your accountant to get documents ready for tax season. Wave offers around 15 accounting reports, which cover all of the basics for accounting and financial reports. FreshBooks does offer a few more than this, and though neither option gives a particularly broad range of reports, it's enough for you and your accountant to keep track of finances. FreshBooks is a modern yet basic platform that's ideal for freelancers who have service-based businesses. If you need relatively entry-level functionality combined with the ultimate ease of use, FreshBooks is a great option. Compared with FreshBooks, Wave is more advanced and has more features to offer. Both are relatively the same regarding the user experience and ease of use, though we found it very difficult to get in touch with someone from Wave's support team. However, in spite of this, we'd recommend Wave for all small businesses that need moderate power and functionality. The platform can support all types of small businesses. FreshBooks is a reliable starter option for freelancers who need to quickly track projects and invoice clients. Wave is a user-friendly freemium accounting system for those who want a broader range of features like a business bank account and payroll. If you're interested, you can try FreshBooks or Wave today by clicking the links in the description box below. Do you agree with our recommendation for these products? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed our content, please like and subscribe.